we discussed about types of chromosome. First of all, what is chromosome? Chromosomes are the nuclear compounds that is the first time described the splitting of chromosome and introduced the term chromatin by W. Rox in 1833. Suspected the involvement of chromosome in inheritance. What is chromosome? Chromosomes are the size of chromosome varies from species to species. The chromosomal length varies from zero point 0.2 to 50 micron and diameter ranges from 0.2 to 20 micron. The organism with less number of chromosomes shows the relatively large size than the chromosomes of organism with the many chromosomes. The chromosomal shape undergoes changes during the various phases of cell division, growth, and development. It is thin, coiled, thread-like, and central filament known as chromatin. Each chromosome has a clear region called centromere or uh, chitomere. The centromere divides the chromosome into two parts on both the sides called the chromosome's arm. The location of centromere vary from chromosome to chromosome and classified into four types, that is the telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric, that is shown is the image. First, we discussed about what is telocentric. Telocentric is the chromosome that the when centromere in the chromosome is present at its proximal end. In such a condition, the chromosomes is called as telocentric chromosome. Then the second type is acrocentric. In this case, the centromere is present towards the end or near one of the end. Therefore, the chromosome is divided into one very short arm and other very long arm. It is also called as J shape. Then the submetacentric, when the centromere is present near the center of chromosome, not exactly in the center, forming J or L shaped chromosome structure. Then the chromosome is called as submetacentric. In this case, the chromosome is divided into two sub-equal arms. Then the last type is metacentric. When the chromosome in the chromosome centromere in the chromosome is present in its center, forming exactly or nearly two equal arms, the chromosome appears as V-shaped. Okay. Then in this image shows the satellite at the upper side. Then the secondary constriction. The set of chromosome of species is identified by mean of character called as karyotype. The diagram representing the karyotype is called as ideogram. Okay, this is what about the chromosome. Thank you.